Fertilization. The fertilization of the eggs, it takes place when the sperm goes in the oviduct here, and then the resulting zygote continues to divide as it travels towards the uterus, becoming an embryo. Then the embryo reaches the uterus in about 1 week.
The uterus is a hollow muscular organ about the size and shape of an inverted pear. It is lined with a vascular tissue called the endometrium, that is this, and this is where the embryo is embedded when it reaches the uterus in a process called implantation. If the embryo implants somewhere other than the endometrium of the uterus, then it is considered an ectopic pregnancy.
The gonads in the female consist of the ovaries, located one of each side of the upper pelvis, whose function are to produce the oocytes or eggs in a process called oogenesis, and the female sex hormones estrogen and progesterone, which are the hormones that control the uterine cycle. One egg is usually produced per month in one of the ovaries and then released into the oviduct in a process called ovulation.
The female genital tract, it consists of the oviducts, the uterus, and the vagina. The oviducts extend from the uterus to the ovaries, but they end in finger-like projections called fimbra, here and here, that together with the ciliated lining of the oviducts guides the egg into the oviduct and sweeps it towards the uterus.
The vagina is a long muscular tube that receives the penis during sexual intercourse and serves as both birth canal and the exit for the monthly menstrual flow. The external female genitals are collectively known as the vulva, this part, and it includes the labia majora, the labia minora, and also the glans clitoris, this, it also, and the cleft with the openings of the urethra, this part, the vagina. The labia majora are two large hair-covered skin folds that extend from the mons pubis, this part, which is a fatty prominence over the pubic bones covered with pubic hair.
The ovarian cycle includes a series of events that occur during and after the maturation of an oocyte. It is divided into three parts: the follicular phase, ovulation, and the luteal phase. During the follicular phase, FSH realized by the anterior pituitary gland simulates the development of a follicle in one of the ovaries. The estrogen is secreted.
Okay. Ovulation is the release of the secondary oocyte from the follicle into the oviduct, resulting on about day 14 of a 20 cycle. During luteal phase, LH, luteinizing hormone, promotes the development of the corpus luteum, and then progesterone is secreted.
Cycle involves a series of changes in the endometrium of the uterus to prepare it for the arrival of the fertilized egg that will develop there until birth. The hormone secreted for the ovaries during the ovarian cycle controls the event of the uterine cycle, causing the uterus to undergo the cycling changes known as the uterine cycle. The uterine cycle can be divided into three parts: menstruation, proliferative phase, and the secretory phase.
Menstruation lasts from day 1 to about day 5 and consists of the breakdown of the endometrium, which is this part, and with blood passing out of the vagina. The low levels of the female sex hormones cause menstruation to occur. The proliferative phase is from day 6 to day 13 and consists of the buildup of the endometrium, which becomes more vascular and glandular. It's caused by the increase of estrogen. The secretory phase is from day 15 to day 28 and consists of the endometrium increasing its thickness. It's caused by the increase of progesterone. If fertilization doesn't occur, the endometrium will break down and menstruation will occur.